Hello people and welcome back to MoxieMotoBritt channel, a channel in which we bring you the best and craziest encounters caught on BIKERS camera. If you like this type of content, then hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. So, without any further ado, let's get this episode going. Pay attention as you exit your vehicles, people. Always check if it's safe first, especially if you open the door towards the road.
Whoa, 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 what?
This biker was just enjoying a nice ride, but a crazy deer flew across the road just like Superman. This driver pulled out in front of the biker without even considering that there someone might be coming. It's really mind-blowing to have cows this late at night in the middle of the road. This is the place where people take their dogs out, and some of them didn't appreciate the biker riding around there. So, we had this special snowflake who thought that it'd be a good idea to try and knock the biker off his bike. Genius, dude. Genius.
Hey! I'll slow down!
Whatever you want to do, but you see some dogs there.
What's up?
The dogs. When you see dogs,
Slow down.
Slow down.
Okay.
Just for the dog.
That other guy was freaking out.
No, you slow down. Now I'm leaving. Now you can.
Yeah,
Turn
yeah.
right.
Okay, see dogs, slow down.
Oh, there you go. Thank you.
I got you.
Well, if this isn't a sight to behold, then I'll be damned. Check the biker in front. He's got a bird on his back. Yes, folk, a bird on his back. Words can't describe how reckless and dangerous this cyclist was.
Juste pas.
Help me!
Čekaj, vamo če ga stavim. Let's go, buddy. There you go. What the f*** are you doing? Go!
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
John B. Janik Knack.
A squirrel tried to run across the road, but soon changed its mind when the biker approached.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Holy cow! Oh my gosh! Just had a wing in my neck. That was, oh my gosh! Whoa, 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 stupid bird! Wowzers. Okay, all right.
This biker noticed a guy in a wheelchair on the sidewalk. He was having trouble in going up the road by himself, and this biker here could not turn a blind eye to what he saw. Check this heartwarming video out.
Nada, mano, vamos lá.
Ali na Kombi ali dá pra descer, vou descer a ladeira ali.
Tranquilo.
Obrigado da força aí.
Nada, gente, que é isso, pô.
Bora, bora. Todo mundo posta tudo em você, o Brasil não tá batendo aqui.
Pô, mas tem que ser, velho.
A pessoa gosta de ajudar.
Eu acho que tem tempo, tem espaço pra todo mundo se ajudar, tem espaço, velho. Basta querer.
É verdade.
Todo mundo tem tempo, não existe isso não. Também. Valeu. Amém a nós todos. Wow.
Doing not really. Out in the middle of the road.
That just scared me.
I love, that's a corgi, right?
Yeah.
I'm obsessed with corgis, and I stop and try to pet like anyone.
Baby.
How old is he?
4 months. She's about to be 5 in like 2 weeks.
I didn't realize how small they were when they were young.
She was even smaller. When I first got her, she was probably half that size.
Oh, they're so cute.
No, what?
This biker has really some bad luck going on for him. As he was riding down the road, he got a flat tire, and judging by his reaction, I'd say it's the last thing he needed.
Taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take a new song.
No! He just hit my tire. Go up there and make sure I don't get hit. Just make sure I don't get, well actually, fuck it. I just don't want to get hit by a car. Ugh. If this would have been me and the boys coming this way, we would have been toast. Oh, probably not. We had a lot of room. All right, let's go. There's cars.
And with this clip, we reach the end of yet another episode on Maxi channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching it and learning something out of the mistakes these participants made. After all, it's always a good thing if you can learn on mistakes of others. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed it. Until the next one, ride safe and take care.